and welcome to Nazanin Hair Studio. Let's dive into another exciting tutorial. As you can see, we're working with thick, coarse hair. We're going to perform a 3D reconstruction treatment called Complex on it. The Complex treatment is a combination of Plex and Botox, and together we call it Complex. As you can see in the video, she has had a straightening treatment on the lower part of her hair before, so the lower sections are straight. However, about 10 centimeters from the roots, the hair is frizzy, dry, and wavy. The first step we take is washing the hair with a keratin prep shampoo, massaging it for 15 minutes, and then letting it sit for 5 minutes. The first step after washing the hair is to place a neck bowl around the client. Then, we mix 15 milliliter of Plex with 90 milliliter of cooled boiled water in a spray bottle. We spray this mixture onto all parts of the hair, including the roots and lengths. There's no issue if it reaches the roots. It can even help strengthen the hair follicles. Make sure to evenly distribute the mixture as shown in the video until it's all used up. Remember to carefully measure 15 ml of Plex and 90 ml of water, mix them thoroughly, and then spray it on the client's hair. The mixture should remain on the hair for about 30 minutes. During this time, we start using the infrared iron, which operates with infrared rays and is completely cold, with no heat at all. The main function of this iron is to deliver the product to the deeper layers of the hair. Additionally, it speeds up the treatment process. For each layer, we pass the iron over the hair 3 to 4 times, moving slowly to ensure proper absorption. In the video, we show that this is an original infrared iron, and as you can see, the evaporation of water confirms the process is working correctly. We gently go over each layer 3 to 4 times, ensuring slow and careful movements so that the product is absorbed into the hair shaft properly. There's no need to press or clamp the iron tightly, just holding the hair between the plates will do the job. After this step, without rinsing out the Plex, we dry the hair using a blow dryer, preparing it for the second phase of the complex treatment, which is the Botox application. I'm glad you stayed with me until this part of the video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with your hairstylist friends. I upload 3 videos every week with lots of helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you. We section the hair, as shown in the video, dividing it layer by layer. Now, we're ready to start the warm Botox treatment. See, we first take fine sections, just like in the video, to make the product application easier without needing to keep sectioning repeatedly. Here, we are using a warm Botox treatment. The product is quite heavy because our goal is not only to treat the hair, but also to give it some added smoothness. We begin applying the product layer by layer from the roots all the way to the top of the head. While using the brush, make sure to gently massage the product into the hair, just like shown in the video, ensuring that the product reaches the roots without touching the scalp. If the product comes into contact with the scalp, it could cause hair loss for the client. So, apply the product slightly away from the roots and carefully use your fingers to work it toward the roots, ensuring it doesn't touch the scalp. It's very important to ensure that the product does not touch the scalp, as this can cause significant hair loss for the client. As you can see in the video, we apply the product to all layers using a brush, keeping a slight distance from the roots. Afterward, we carefully use our fingers to apply the product to the root area. We continue this process until the entire head, including the bangs, is fully treated with the product. We leave the product on the client's hair for about 30 to 40 minutes. If the hair is coarse and thick, like in this case, we let it sit for around 40 minutes. For finer hair, we reduce the processing time to about 30 minutes. After the waiting period, as shown in the video, we start the professional blow drying process. We carefully blow dry each layer repeatedly. The goal is to blow dry the product deep into the hair's layers using a combination of a hairdryer and a round brush, ensuring that no product is left on the surface. How do we know when it's enough? You'll notice a gas, odor, and steam coming from the hair. Keep blow-drying each section 10 to 15 times until the gas and steam disappear, indicating that the product has been fully absorbed into the hair. If you've made it this far in the video, please give it a like and leave your thoughts in the comments. It's better for very thick and full hair to have 2 people working on this process simultaneously, as it can take a lot of time. However, this method ensures that no damage is done to the hair. While it's possible to use a flat iron for this process, flat ironing can cause significant damage to the hair. It's important to mention that you must use warm air from the blow dryer for brushing. However, after working on each layer, it's essential to take a short pause. Let that section cool down, and then move on to the next layer. This cooling process helps prevent any damage to the hair. Once we've finished working through all the layers and ensured the product has been fully absorbed into the hair, we do one final blow dry over the entire head. This ensures that no product remains on the surface and that everything has been thoroughly absorbed into the hair. I upload 3 new videos every week on this channel. Please support me by liking the videos and leaving comments. Thank you. Try not to take very fine sections of hair, as this can cause pulling and discomfort for the client during blow drying. By taking thicker sections, the client won't feel any pain while we dry the hair, making the process much more comfortable. After finishing the blow drying, we let the hair cool for about 10 minutes. Then, we move to the sink and begin washing the hair, thoroughly rinsing out all the product. Next, we prepare our cocktail mixture. Our cocktail consists of No. 2 Plex and spider mask, but you can also use LPP treatments. In this case, I've used a post-keratin mask, which is the spider mask, and combined it with No. 2 Plex. We apply this mixture generously to the roots and lengths of the hair, making sure all sections are fully covered. We leave it on for about 15 minutes to allow the treatment to work its magic. We carefully massage the product into the hair, making sure to do this thoroughly and patiently. The massage should be done in a rope pulling motion. After 15 minutes, we rinse it out. And here we have our client's soft, shiny, and healthy hair, dried with just warm air from the blow dryer, without any need for additional brushing. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be sure to respond. Until the next video, goodbye.